欢迎乘坐哈尔滨地铁1号线，本次列车开往终点站哈南站站。Welcome to take the Harbin Metro Line 1. The terminal station is 哈南站 station. 下一站和心路站，要下车的乘客请提前做好准备。The next stop is 和心路 station. Please get ready for your arrival. 前方到站和心路站，请下车的乘客提前向车门移动。列车将开启前进方向左侧车门。We are arriving at 和心路 station. The door on the left side will open. 和心路站到了，请在列车的左侧车门下车。We are now arriving at 和心路 station. Please leave from the left side.